Kita lagi duduk-duduk di pantai. Terus ngapain lagi kita Gar hari ini?
Selamat pagi, selamat datang kembali di vlog BRM Motorsport di round pertama Monochrome GT4 Australia 2026. Hari ini ini hari Kamis, kita akan menuju ke track. Coba kita tanya pembalapnya. Apa yang akan dilakukan hari ini?
Hari ini kita akan unloading truk, terus masukin mobil-mobil semua ke pit. Habis itu jam 11-an nanti kita ada photo on the grid. Habis itu kita ada track walk hari ini yang sangat penting buat gue. Terus kita ada hahaha bersama lu pada yang gak ada gunanya sebenarnya, cuman tetap harus dilakuin supaya kita tetap having fun. Gak deras sih, lumayan berhujan. Tadi pagi abang saya udah bawa mobil buat foto grid. Sekarang kita mau nyari kopi dulu karena ngantuk banget, cuacanya pas banget buat tidur. Mobil sih dalam keadaan yang sangat prima dan sangat oke. Pedok-pedok. Ini geng Ford Mustang. Ini anak-anak Ferrari. Thank you very much. Ini anak-anak Mercy. Tagani Motorsport. Kemarin kita sempat off-season training sama mereka. Terus, ini bisa dilihat nih, ini truk-truknya kalau di balap sini nih, semua pada bawa truk-truk gede gini, isinya bisa mobil, bisa spare part, orang istirahat, orang debrief, macam-macam lah. Ini saingan kita nih, main berat nih anak BMW. Ayo! Nothing much really. Can I get coffee first? Ini juara-juaranya juga nih anak-anak Mustang. Sekarang kita mau beli kopi dulu, anjrit antrinya, tapi tanya sama our main engineers, Mr. Ruben Wong. Uncle,
Yes, sir.
what's the typical Thursday on the race weekend?
The first thing is to set up the pits,
Mm-hmm.
and then start preparing the car for scrutineering.
Okay, how's the preparation so far?
Very good. Everything's ready.
Car's ready?
Yep, all good.
How's the driver?
Driver, how's the driver?
Driver's
He
ready.
looks ready.
He looks ready. All right.
Enough rest.
Enough rest.
Good.
I slept quite good last night.
Yeah.
Woke up at 7. As you see, I woke up quite early today. What's your prediction of the weekend?
I think it'll be a strong weekend. You know, from the last test we did, we're looking good.
I look
Yeah.
good.
With some luck, we'll be okay.
Alright, cool. Alright, that's Ruben Wong, our engineers. Oke, sekarang tadi kita udah ngobrol sama engineersnya. Sekarang kita bakal ngobrol sama dua orang mekanik-mekanik kita yang nggak tahu lagi ngapain. Kita tanya-tanya aja langsung. Coco Kelvin.
Yo,
What's the typical Thursday for the mechanic?
Thursday.
Yeah. What do we do on Thursday?
First, we need to unload everything from the truck.
Yeah.
After that,
Yeah.
we need to set up the pit with all the walling.
All the morning.
Yeah. After that, we need to align the car,
Mm.
mark the car in position, everything, set the patch. Then we can start to do the setup on the car.
Okay. Is the car ready to go? Is it good? Good
Should be 80% ready, bro. Yeah.
ready. Alright. Alright, thanks. Coco.
Another 20 is on the way.
Alright, thank you. Tadi udah nih, di dalam kita udah wawancara engineer udah, mekanik udah. Kita wawancara orang paling sibuk sedunia. Nih dia, gue juga gak ngerti sebenarnya dia posisinya apa sih. Bisa dibilang bosnya juga iya, orang paling bawahnya juga iya. Nih kita langsung ketemu. Ini dia, orang paling sibuk di race weekend.
Bro.
Mr. Garindra Kusuma. Mr. Garindra, what is your typical Thursday?
Biasanya kita nyiapin barang, fitting ban, tire, terus nanti ada documents check juga, ada safety check untuk barang-barang driver. Apa aja deh? Pagi masak sarapan,
Manager's briefing,
manager briefing,
ya, track walk.
track walk yang mana saya nggak mau ikut,
Harusnya ikut ya.
tapi barengan sama manager briefing
Oh,
nggak bisa.
jadi karena itu jadi nggak bisa.
Betul.
Oke,
Terima kasih.
itu dia orang paling sibuk sedunia. And now we have the team owner, team boss, Mr. Shane Sutar.
Yeah.
Mr. Shane Sutar,
Big boss, little boss.
what is your typical Thursday on the race weekend?
This is the beautiful tropical Phillip Island.
Yeah.
There's a good reason why the penguins live here, because it's wet and cold all the time,
Yeah.
and sometimes we get polar bears.
What do you do on Thursday? What do you usually do on Thursday?
Stay dry, the best I can, and walk around looking confused.
You basically know nothing about what you're doing.
I've no idea, but I didn't tell anybody.
There you go. That's a big boss right there. Oke, tadi kita kan udah ngobrol sama engineers, kita udah ngobrol sama mekanik. Sekarang kita mau ngobrol sama teammate gue yang juga nyetir mobilnya. Langsung aja, ini dia Zach Sutar.
What's going on, brother? You good? Oh, thank you very much.
Zach, how's your preparation for the weekend?
Yeah, really good. Yeah, mate, ready to go. Got 4 cars here, which is pretty cool. First time for our team running 4 cars in the GT4 Australia Series. Got our car over here, the Tough Lift Racing McLaren. Sporting some new signage on the back there, BR Empire, which is pretty cool. So, yeah, no, ready to go for the weekend. Very excited, mate.
What's your typical Thursday during the race week?
Panic, stress.
Yeah.
Get upset with everybody for not putting the pit walls up the way I want them. No, it's always a very busy day on Thursday, just getting everything ready for the race weekend, because you know the way you start your weekend is such an important part of how the race weekend is going to flow. And obviously, if anything goes wrong out on track, you want each mechanic to know where all the tools are, where their equipment is, tape, all that sort of thing. So you've got to make it very clean and laid out so that, you know, if you need to work on cars quickly, you can do it easily. So this sets the foundation for the weekend. So it's always a big day.
How'd you look at the weekend so far? Our preparation and then the practice that we did. How do you see that?
Well, you know, our media day was a really good day in terms of, you know, you've you know, not to blow wind, you know, up his you know, make him too overconfident, but this man's doing a really good job at the moment, really fast. Did a great job at the media day, 2 seconds faster than what you've ever been around here before, and definitely one of the fastest AMs. So, you know, if you can keep that up and, you know, be consistent and do all the things you've been doing, and I can do my part, I think we'll be on for a very good weekend. Hopefully,
Is there any special strategy that you want to implement for the weekend? Anything special?
just drive fast. Just drive as fast as you
Drive
can.
as fast as you
Drive
can.
as fast as you can. Just
like
like
that.
lead from the front and don't look behind.
Don't look
That's the
behind.
strategy.
All right, I like that. I like that. All right,
Easy.
let's do
All right,
this.
bro, let's do it. Good luck for the weekend, eh?
All right, cool.